Okay, so this video is basically for the women who think that because of age, she is becoming lazy and she is not willing to do any activity. But she might not be the laziest person. She might be suffering silently with depression. Depression happens because of motherhood, which is also known as postpartum depression, because of family issues, because of hormonal issues, and a lot of other issues which women go through in entire life. It is the toughest part where the woman is having depression and the woman is not even knowing that she is having depression. So I'm going to tell you few of the hidden signs where you can understand that you might be silently suffering with depression. If you relate to this video, please save this reel so you can use this for your future purpose. So basically, you always feel very tired. You don't feel happiness in doing anything you do. You go anywhere. Your family is laughing, everybody is laughing, cheering, but you are not happy. Then और जो important चीजें होती है women में, that is the body is so lethargic. Then that is small task is also feeling like कि आज बाबा बहुत काम किया है. जो आपकी हॉबी हुआ करती थी, there was a time when you used to play badminton, you want to go out and meet your friends or do anything. But right now that hobby is a task for you. You don't feel happiness in doing your hobby. And if you don't want to pursue the thing which you always wanted to do, then it is surely a sign of depression. Suddenly you started binge eating. जो चीजें आपको समझ में नहीं आती थी पहले या इतना पसंद नहीं था, बट यू हैव स्टार्टेड बिंज ईटिंग, स्पेशली द शुगरी सब्सटेंसेस, केक्स, बिस्किट्स, आप अचानक से बहुत ज्यादा खा रहे हो एंड यू आर क्रेविंग फॉर दैट, देन इट इज श्योरली अ साइन ऑफ डिप्रेशन. देयर इज नो मोटिवेशन टू डू एनीथिंग. You don't want to go out, you don't want to meet your friends, you don't want to go on your work. And this is all is majorly with the women who's going through some kind of transition in the life, going through pregnancy or maybe after pregnancy, after delivery. There's a lot of things which women carries in their genes, in their body and their mind. And this disrupts the mental health of a woman. So for me, it is very important to deal with the mental health first, because I personally believe that mental health comes first than physical health. If you're not mentally well, then you won't be able to do any diet, do any exercise, feel happy or be motivated to do anything in your life. You can DM me personally if you're going through any of this issue, and I will be able to help you in coming out of depression with a good amount of nutrients and good amount of coaching. Follow me for more.